Hello, cybersecurity community. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: how to make your files fully undetectable during penetration testing. We'll be leveraging encryption techniques provided by elite tools to enhance security measures. Disclaimer: this tutorial is strictly for educational and informational purposes only. Any misuse of Elite Crypter for illegal activities is strictly prohibited. Let's get started. Selecting the file first, we choose the file we want to work with. Choosing the injection method next, we select the appropriate technique for injecting encryption, configuring optional settings to maximize effectiveness. We'll enable the private stub feature for undetectable results, generating the output file once configured. Our encrypted file is ready for testing. Step 1. Scanning the unencrypted file to check its detection status. Step 2. Scanning the encrypted output file to verify undetectability. For more in-depth tutorials and cybersecurity insights, subscribe to our channel and join our Telegram community. Find important links in the comments section. Stay safe and ethical in your cybersecurity journey.